Hey TikTok, listen up. I am here to share the incredible journey of being a full time caretaker and building my online business in just 2 hours a day. Let's dive in. Number one, just know that there's light at the end of the tunnel. Imagine this, right? As a caretaker, you're not just building a business, you're building a brighter future. With that, you can say goodbye to some of the things that I personally have experienced as a caretaker, which is financial stress and anxiety. You get to be able to create a life where you're in control. Number two, there's several benefits to caretakers, right? When you start a digital business, one, less stress, more freedom. Your online business gives you the power to work on your terms, all while caring for your loved one. And flexibility then becomes your new best friend. Number three, the thing I love about this is that you get a profit plan and a marketing blueprint, right? No more guesswork, no guessing what you're supposed to do every day you wake up. You get a step-by-step marketing blueprint, and then you're on the road to success. Every action that you take is strategic, is proven, and then you get to watch your business thrive. Step number four is that you get to join me on this journey. So if you are ready for a change, if you believe that you can do it, I also believe you can do it. And if you're a caretaker or anyone else seeking financial freedom, then this is for you. So let's build together. If you're ready, I want you to comment below, join the journey, and I'll get some information over to you. See you in the next one.